Hi, good morning. I'm glad to meet you with another market update through this Recycling Me Scrap Report. I'm Benny for Recycling Me. Today's June 25, 2020. I hope you're doing good. Today, I would like to inform you about the rising trade tension between India and China, the world's second largest and fifth largest economist. India has made a quick move against the anti-dumping probe on China import in respect of protecting the domestic companies and to make the domestic market to pick up. This will definitely stimulate the local production and reduce the dependency on import. The unfair trade practice has been watched by the Commerce and Industry Ministry and has started to act fast based on the application filed by the domestic manufacturers. The government has drawn up a prospective list of 300 products on which it can impose a restriction and encourage the manufacturer to begin the production. However, we can see India has initiated anti-dumping probe against a certain kind of aluminium foil from China, Indonesia, Malaysia and Thailand. So I believe this will give a good relief for the Indian companies and the industry that are impacted by the unfair trade. On the other hand, the recent deadly clash between India and China last week between India and China has forced to slap on it. Indian Railway has just cancelled rupees 471 crores contract between to Beijing Fan. State-owned BSNL telecom corporation, the BSNL has instructed not to gear the Chinese Huawei for a network upgradation, and Indians called for boycott of many of other Chinese goods after fatal border clashes. Telecoms, chemicals and heavy industry and the Ministry of Steel and Electronics and Information Technology have been identified as the top user department of major product by the import from China. By the Commerce and Industry Ministries. Quality order control orders and technical regulations were being deliberated for these sectors. The recent news shows that India halts customs clearance in Chennai, but no formal instruction has been issued to stop the clearance. But the consignments are likely to face 100% check. Following Indian ports, the government is also thinking about restriction clearance of Chinese goods in West Coast ports also. Chennai ports is likely to be a major port to import of this telecom parts and equipments and used by the Chinese that are present in the country. Right now, the scenario is the consignments from China will have to undergo 100% check instead of the random check. Let's wait and see how this will encourage the local manufacturers. I will keep you updated on this and how this will benefits to the ferrous and non-ferrous scrap market and the scrap industry. Please don't forget to like, share or subscribe to our YouTube channel for this daily update. I will be meeting you with another market update regarding this. Bye. Thank you.